Okay, let's create not just an ordinary fish, but a bigger fish. We need, of course, several balloons here for the fish because I think there is something fishy here. I'm just joking. So here. So we need, in this balloon figure, we need 3 balloons. Okay, first things first. Put these 2 orange balloons together by locking these 2 balloons on the ends on each balloon. Okay, so now put all together as well here on the tail of our fish. Twist it together, twist it just like that. So instantly we created a fish here, but we're not officially done because we will create the head of our fish by creating a loop. So let's measure this here. So we need to twist this, the middle part. It should be equal. Now put this under the orange fish and create a loop, leaving 1 inch here, just like that, and just do the same thing on the other side. Okay, lock it up. Now twist this area. Okay, now twist this again. And please put these 2 bubbles here. This will serve the eyes of our fish. And now instantly we created the biggest fish ever in this course. See that? I hope you like it.